Have you ever thought that standard accessories on your new machine purchase could be packaged better? Here at Jetwave, we're ecstatic to announce our freshly designed and now newly released G2 Washbox Accessories Kit. A strikingly presented kit that has been carefully selected and professionally curated because at Jetwave, we think different. We wanted to up the level of the G2 experience for you in bang for buck with a professional presentation and now standard inclusions. Rather than an afterthought, this accessories kit is intended to be alongside the awesome presentation of the G2. The box not only gives protection in shipping, but importantly, to fortify the difference in investing into a Jetwave G2 product. It adds a professional interface with precision CNC cut EPE foam and a cool unboxing experience that now matches the machine's aesthetics. Now standard on our range of professional and industrial Jetwave G2 high pressure cleaners and water jetting systems. It presents a continuing commitment to advance in professionalism as an original equipment manufacturer, and most importantly, to add further value to Jetwave customers. The carefully selected high quality standard kit includes a Jetwave J5500K low trigger force high pressure spray gun, one JW10 nozzle guard with a hardened stainless steel German fan nozzle, two spare O-rings, a Jetwave 1 litre easy foam kit, now standard on all units up to 280 bar. Also with a foamer bottle adapter and a foam bottle cover cap for easy storage. Noting on the G2 water jetting series, it deducts the easy foam kit and it includes then an M22 to 1/4 inch snap coupling adapter. It also houses neatly the motor and operation manuals. The optional accessories that can be contained and are provisioned within the G2 wash box include a turbo nozzle, an oscillating pencil jet for aggressive wide coverage impact cleaning, the long reach stabilizer nozzle, the J5500K short adapter with a snap coupling, great for tight spaces, the JW single lance variable pressure attachment, or additional JW10 nozzle protectors with nozzle. We're extremely excited about innovating the future with our new offering, and we invite you to join our journey. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below. Stay abreast for more informative and exciting developments to come from Jetwave Group. Stay tuned.